welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to know if your MiFi is charging. As you can see, this is my MiFi MTN broadband, 4G, and this is the model right there. If you have this type of model, know that this thing I'm trying to say now is applicable for you. Thank you. Now look at the MiFi. This is a MiFi, the MTN MiFi. MTN MiFi. You press the middle on it, you hold it until it shows the green light at the battery. As you can see, this is the green light, this is the red light. The green light and the red light in the network meaning that it cannot connect to any phone. There is no service at the moment. And this is the green light at the Wi-Fi. From now you can connect to a phone till here shines green. If here shines green, you know that the internet is going, like your data will start going. But when this thing shines, when it's green in color, you know that it can connect to your phone. So leave that part. Look at the red. The red in my battery means my battery is low. And to fix this, we're going to go to a USB cable and plug onto the Wi-Fi and see what it will look like. Let's go. This is the USB cord. I plugged it onto my laptop. I plugged it onto my laptop. This is my iPad. Okay. We plug it in the USB mouse. I've plugged it, and look at that. It's blinking red. It means that it's charging. But if you browse it, they'll show you that if it blinks green, it's charging. But now it's charging. That's the proof. It's charging. Blinking red. It's blinking red because it's low and it's charging on the low part, less than 20%. Okay. It's still red. Okay. I'll be waiting for it. It's still red. And I want to show you something. Please note that whenever you off it like this, the color that will be there will be yellow. When it is yellowish, don't be afraid. It's still charging. It means that it's off. It does not mean that it's not low again. It means that it is off and it's charging. Even if the charging is complete, it will still be yellow. But when you on it and it starts charging, it will come back to its original color, red. Means that it's low, less than 20%. When it's more than 20%, the color will shift from red to yellow, then from yellow to green. I'll show you guys. Just took the light, I plugged it onto my power bank. Look at it. It's yellow, not red again. It means that the power is more than 20% now. It is from 30% up, and when it is up to 80%, the color will change from yellow to green. As I'm going to show you guys, that's how you know when your MiFi is low, medium, and high. Not yellow again, it's now green. It means that the Wi-Fi is now up to 80% and above. Then when you leave it for like 10 minutes or 5 or thereabouts and it's still blinking green, you unplug it. It's not good to leave the Wi-Fi plugged on for a long time. You unplug it so it won't spoil the battery, because not almost all of them will give you a constant green light to show that it's full. You don't know when it's full. As it's green now, it means that your battery is up to 80% and above. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share.